How to remove Facebook account from Instagram. If you're looking to disconnect your Facebook account from Instagram, you're in the right place. Whether you want to separate your social media profiles for privacy reasons or simply don't want the two accounts connected anymore, I'll show you exactly how to do it, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your profile. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile and tap on three horizontal lines to go to Settings and Privacy or Settings and Activity Center. From there, navigate to Account Center. Scroll down until you find an option that says Accounts. Here you can find all your accounts linked. Here, as we can see, Facebook account linked to our Instagram account. Simply tap on Remove next to our Facebook account. Now simply tap on Yes, finish removing to remove your Facebook account from the Instagram. And that's it. You've successfully removed your Facebook account from Instagram. It's a quick process and now your accounts are no longer connected.